Okay, in any company, who's the gatekeeper? You ever play that game? There's always the titles on the org chart and the hierarchy, and then there's always the person that everybody goes to get things done. And those are always drastically different. And anybody who actually gets things done in a company knows how to play this and who to talk to. And the people that are making moves exchange favors and horse trade all the time. Things get done on this end because they're equally going to get back done on this end. What side of the equation are you on in this in your company? Are you paying attention to this? Are you facilitating and helping and really achieving great things within your organization? Or are you the bottleneck?